Had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel. Look. You so fucking precious when you smile.
So today's video is a first impression / review on some makeup products that I received. And the brand that I will be using is called SISTAR Cosmetics. They sent me a bunch of goodies. I'm actually gonna open this so you guys can see everything that I received. Oh my god, this is so heavy, you guys, but this is pretty much all the products that they sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a full face using their makeup products, and we're gonna see what it does. Oh, another thing that I want to mention is that their makeup products are like really affordable, so you're not breaking your pockets. But this is like a really small single primer. At first, when you just apply the primer to your face, it feels really thick. Like it has a really thick consistency. But then it gets like matte on your face. I don't know if you guys can see it through the lens. So as you guys know, I always start off with my brows, and I've been doing a new brow routine lately that I'm absolutely in love with. To be honest, it looks a lot more drawn on, but it's really good. So this is their brow perfecting pencil. This is what it looks like. The color that they said was kind of dark, but like I said, I've been doing a new brow routine lately, so I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand so you guys can see. Y'all can't even see that. Just gonna, you know, fill in my brows as usual. I actually need to go get my brows waxed. Not waxed, but tread, because I find lately when I wax my brows, I get like a lot of pimples. I don't know if I'm allergic to the wax or what it is, but it's been like every time that I wax my brows, I would break out around my brow area. It's so weird. So for like the longest while, I've just been like tweezing my brows and not touching it. But they're looking kind of crazy. And that's my phone. And just blend it out. They sent me 2 different shades of concealer. I'm gonna take the darkest one, which I believe is this one right here. And I'm just gonna clean up around my brows. Okay, so I already went ahead and just cleaned up around my brow. I don't know if you guys can see what I meant with the brows. Like, it's a bit lighter right now. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. They sent me 4 different shades of their foundation just because I didn't know which, you know, I didn't know which shade was gonna actually match my skin tone. Especially if you're ordering something online for the first time and you've never tested it out. You're not too sure of which shade you should get. First one I'm gonna pick is the one that looks closest to my skin tone, and it's the golden beige one. This one right here. So this is their Skin Perfecting Liquid Foundation. You guys can't really see it because of the sun. But yeah, that's basically what the foundation looks like. Before I go ahead and apply my foundation, I'm just gonna take the setting spray and basically dab my brush with that. I always do this before I apply my foundation. I do want to test this out first before I actually apply it to my entire face, and it's not the right shade, so I'm just gonna pump a little on my fingertip. So this shade right here is called Golden Beige. Okay, that's a little too light. I do believe I'm gonna have to like mix shades to get like my perfect shade, because yeah, nah. Even bronze look a little dark, but I'm gonna try it on my face and see. I think I'm gonna have to mix these 2 together. This is still too dark. Yeah, this is way too dark. I'm just gonna test out all the shades and then decide. This one here is 10. So this shade right here is 10, and it does have like a really orange tint to it. This over here. That one is, I think, is closer to my skin tone. This one right here is called Chocolate Chip. I'm not even gonna try this because if bronze is like this dark, this is definitely not my skin tone. So I'm not gonna waste my time and try this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and mix tan and burnt cinnamon together, and hopefully yeah, that should do. gonna take my foundation brush and we're just gonna blend this in. The foundation is very thick though, like this is so heavy on my face. I feel like I'm putting a mask on right now. Look at my skin. It covered everything. Now I'm gonna go in with their Skin Perfection concealer, and this one is in Golden. Okay. I don't like the way this is blended out. I don't know if my beauty blender is too damp. Yeah, I feel like this concealer, the more I blend it out, it's like removing all the makeup from my chin area. Okay, I want to blend out down here and see. Okay, here blends way better than up there, but I feel like the foundation, the concealer, I don't know, it's like the coverage on it itself is like weird. It looks watery. Now I feel like I need some more to get like a really full coverage. I'm just gonna see if it's buildable or not, and then we'll see. Right now I don't really like it. It's not blending out the way I want it to blend out. I'm gonna take my brush and go around the edges. Now to set the concealer, I'm gonna be using their Skin Perfection finishing powder. Okay, it is setting the concealer nicely. And powder does make like a huge difference, as you guys can see. I'm just hoping that I don't have any flashbacks once I'm done. I was not sent a setting powder, so I'm going to take my MAC Skin Finishing Powder and I'm just going to apply this all over my face just to set the areas where I applied the foundation. Alright, so to contour my face, I'm using their contouring palette. This one is in medium. I honestly don't find like this one has a lot of dark shades in it. This is literally the darkest shade that they have. Probably could have even used this shade right here for like my my face powder. I'm gonna be mixing two of their eyeshadow palettes for my eye look. First palette that I'm using is the one that's called Sunkiss. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Their shadows are like really pigmented. I'm gonna take the Pink Blossom palette. I'm gonna use this pink shade right here. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and added some lip liner, not lip liner, some liquid liner to my eyes. It's called their Lit and Glow Luminizer palette, and I'm gonna take the shade right here. I'm mixing these two shades right here. their setting spray, and I'm just gonna set my entire face. I'm gonna take their Ultimate Gel Defining Liner, and I'm just gonna add this to my waterline. I'm gonna go back in with the Pink Blossom palette. I'm gonna use this shade right here. Back into the gold palette, I'm taking this shade right here. I'm just gonna add that into like my inner tear ducts. Lips, I'm going to be using their brown lip liner. This one is called their Smooth Touch Auto Lip Liner, and this one is in the shade Earthy Brown. I'm just going to go in and outline my lips. I'm going to take their lip paint. This one is in Rouge Charmant, and I'm just going to apply that in the center of my lips. Okay, you guys, so pretty much this is the end look. I feel like the quality of their products are like very rich. The products goes on effortlessly. My favorite has to be the foundation and the, what's it called, the setting powder and the setting spray. The setting spray just smells like a bag of roses. The setting spray has like a very nice rosy smell. The only product that I didn't really like was the concealer. It was really watery. I did not like the consistency of it. I feel like it's not, it is buildable. Like, don't get me wrong, the concealer is buildable, but you have to, like, you know, work your way in with it. You really have to blend it out a lot for like it to look really smooth on your face. So I don't have time for that. So I don't know if I will be using the concealer again. Now that I'm looking at my face, that my face is done, like my face right now, you guys, is flawless. Like the foundation is flawless. At first it did feel really heavy. The foundation did feel like really cakey, but now that my face is complete, I feel free. So I would say like the setting powder is like one of my absolute favorite. Setting powder though is super bomb. What I haven't done yet, but I'm gonna do right now, is a flashback proof. I don't know if my face has a mask. If I take a picture with a flash, I'm gonna try it right now and see. Make sure that my makeup is flash approved. Okay, there's no casket look. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but there's no white lines. I don't look like I'm going to my funeral. So the setting powder is approved by me. Right now my face is beat. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, I'm not sure if any of you have ever heard of this makeup brand, but if you have used it before, comment down below, let me know what are your favorite products from them. Like I said, mine has to be the foundation, the setting powder, and the freaking setting spray. The setting spray, I can't get over the smell of the setting spray. It's really rosy. It has this very sweet smell to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.